Wait. Are the pitcher's mound and home plate just giant home plates? We begin our AL East journey in the Bronx at Yankee Stadium in New York City. It opened in 2009. The one before that opened in 1923. So it had been a few years. The new one's the 7th largest capacity in the majors at 46,537 people. In that first year, 2009, the Yankees would go on to win the World Series. There's the subway that runs right along it, which is really convenient. But today, we have the better transportation. Nice. It looks like we might be able to land in there. Let's swing her around here. Nice. Look at that. Who needs a suite? We'll just watch the game from up here. Got the ads, of course. Can't have a real simulation without the ads. Coming in hot. Oh. Okay, the field's a little, you know, multi-layered, but we'll roll with it. The grass needs a little cutting, maybe. All right, let's put her down. Oh, oh, a little rough. Okay, we're not exactly. There we go. The grass was pretty long, apparently. Hey, we made it, you know? It could be worse. Look at that. We are in Aaron Judge's domain now. It looked a little bit better when we had some altitude, not gonna lie. There's, you know, a giant palm tree coming from left field. That's cool. I don't mind. I'm sure whoever buys those seats won't mind either. Let's get a little air again. It looked a little bit better when we were floating a little bit. I do like that they got the logo and everything behind home plate. It's honestly pretty good. It's pretty impressive. There's a lot in New York to model out. Yankee Stadium looks pretty good. I can't get over this plant. I wonder how many laws I'm breaking. Next stop, Toronto and the Rogers Center in downtown, home of the Blue Jays. It opened in 1989 and has the 4th largest capacity in the majors at 49,282 people. It is a retractable roof. Let's see if it's open. Oh, the roof is not open. Let's go see what we can do. The Rogers Center is not welcoming us today. But let's go mess with it a little bit. All right. What a stadium. Just right in the middle of everything. Is it going to let us do anything? Is it going to let us do anything? I'll just try putting her down. Here we go. It's awfully wrinkly. It looks like some people have tried this before. Somebody's ironing this out. Well, we're on it. We're on it. There we go. We're sliding off of it, but we're on it. Not much to see. Thanks a lot, Toronto. All right, let's get out of here. Now let's go to a fan favorite, Camden Yards, Baltimore, Maryland, home of the Orioles. Opened in 1992, it's the 8th largest capacity in the majors at just under 45,000 people. Okay, here we go. Look at this row of warehouses. Iconic. Awesome. Let's put her down. Woo. It's kind of crazy that the highest seats are, are this high. I don't think they're quite that vertical in real life. I could be mistaken. This is one of the few stadiums I haven't made it to, but I'm gonna guess things aren't that vertical up top, if that's where one of your tickets is. You know, not quite as legible signage as Yankee Stadium, I would say. But the ads are still there. I don't see... Oh, we do have like the on-deck circles. The field is overgrown, just like Yankee Stadium was. Oh, that's cool. The scoreboard's pretty accurate. Yeah, they even have some of the detail on the clock. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, God, my bad. I just, you know, it's deceiving. The ground, you're just not used to 2 layers of ground. Again, needs a haircut, but not bad, not bad. No giant trees coming out of the stands. It's just the death verticality there that'll get you. But hey, pretty cool. Let's go put her down by home plate. Oh, the pitcher's mound. Wait. Wait. Are the pitcher's mound and home plate just giant home plates? No, it's like a hexagon. It might be kind of pentagonish. It's a pretty big home plate. The pitcher's mound is just its own situation. None of this really matters because you'd have to pitch through 6 feet of shrubs, but who am I to judge? Here's the view of a fly ball that hits a warehouse. All right, we're done with you, Baltimore. Now let's head to Tropicana Field in St. Petersburg, Florida, home of the Tampa Bay Rays. It's been the Rays' home field this whole time since they became a team in 2008, but this stadium originally opened in 1990. The dome is not retractable, so it's currently the only year-round indoor stadium in the majors. There's that slanted roof to help with heat and rainwater. I may have made up that second one, but I'm pretty sure it helps with water. Yeah, no hopes of getting in this one. This one's permanent, but we'll land on it anyway. Let's see what kind of noise it makes. Oh, my bad. Well, it holds a helicopter. Can't tell you much more than that. I guess we'll just go get out of the heat then. Let's cap off our AL East adventure in Boston. Since 1912, Fenway has been the home of the Red Sox. It's the oldest active park in the majors. It's also the second smallest in terms of total capacity. I like the manually updated scoreboard, which was added in 1934. And ever since that scoreboard, there's been a slew of updates and restorations to the stadium. Seats were added on top of the Green Monster in 2003. And the year after that, the Red Sox finally broke their almost 90-year curse and won the World Series. I'm chalking it up to the Green Monster seats energy. That's all there is to it. There it is, Fenway Park. Maybe speaking too soon, but this might be the best detail of the stadiums in the AL East. It's looking pretty good. Oh, we have more vertical seating though. It's just not at the top. But yeah, look at that. We got some vertical seating in the first layer of seating there. That's okay. That's chill. Let's start at the green monster out here. Some overgrowing trees on the monster. That happens. But we got the light poles. Got the bud sign. Lots of trees in Fenway. I take back what I said about it being the best detail. Unless we're going for inaccurate detail. but hey, we got the pennants. The classic Fenway Park sign. Above the press boxes. We've got what we've come to get used to in this sim, which is an overgrown infield and outfield. But the shapes are there. And have a look around here. We'll try a little bit smoother than usual. Now that I know that I'm expecting multiple layers of field. Okay. Okay, not bad. It's pretty dark. Left field we can see a little bit better. You know, it's not bad. It's not bad. The vibe is there. The green monster, I feel like it should have a more menacing presence. It feels like too short or something here. Let's go check it out. Yeah, you can see the seats up there. I wish the foul pole went all the way up. Not bad, not bad.